There are millions of brands out there that you can open up wholesale accounts with. This is really something that does not ever become saturated because there are always going to be more buyers than sellers. There are always going to be more buyers than sellers. We live in a consumer-based society. There are never going to be more sellers than there are buyers, right? And people are always going to buy products on Amazon. It's just that simple, okay? Now, this is just one way to open up wholesale accounts. There are many, many ways. And if you want to learn step-by-step how to do this, I'm hosting a free workshop this Sunday. The only catch to this free workshop is the software that we use only allows us to have 2,000 people in the room. So like if you're watching this right now, you have at least $400 to your name. You want to start a side hustle that you can do from home and you're interested in learning how to make money online, like a legitimate way to make money online where you don't have to sell products from overseas and you're selling products from brands that you probably already buy, probably already in your kitchen, right? If you want to learn that, the link is down here, or you can just click on my profile somewhere up here and click the link in my bio. It's completely free to sign up. After you register, it's gonna ask you if you want to purchase a mini course that I have that's $27, just so you can have some background information before Sunday's workshop, but that's completely optional. You can say no, you can say yes, doesn't matter. Regardless, you will be registered for Sunday's training, which is completely free.